Hey guys, what's up? Today's video is going to be a spring cleaning inspired video. It's a rainy Sunday. I have some extra downtime and I just kind of cleaned everything, but I feel like getting organized today, and I just think it's the perfect time to do like a little bit of decluttering. So I want to declutter my closet. So what I'm going to do today is just sort through all of my clothes using the KonMari method. If you guys haven't heard of this method before, please look into reading the book called Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by KonMari, or by Marie Kondo. I love that book so much, and I read it a couple years ago. That book really helped me kind of just feel more in control of my life and realize that I didn't need so much, you know? And she has a show on Netflix out now too. If you guys haven't seen her show on Netflix, it is so brilliant because it shows you how to use her method and how she applies it to pretty much every aspect of life with different types of families, different types of individuals. It is like my favorite show on Netflix right now. So here's like an up close shot of my closet. These are all of my shirts. There's Lily, and then that's my Flatbush Zombies poster. So this is everything that I own for clothing, and I'm gonna sort through it right now. So let's get into it. I'm done. So I've decided to part with everything right here in the middle. Thank you, goodbye. Doing this method just really helps me kind of get a grip on what I have and what I like, what I don't like. So I hope this video was helpful, maybe entertaining, I don't know. I just wanted to do it. So one of these days, maybe I'll do this with my makeup again. But I thought it'd be kind of an interesting video. Say bye everybody, thank you for watching.